Hey there, this communication log is perfect to track any communication that you are having with parents, coworkers, management, anybody on your team. This is perfect for teachers, business people, and more. I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. So here we go. So first we're going to put the date of the communication and then the time that you talk to the person and then the length of the call. So we'll just put in 20 minutes. The name of the person, so we'll call them John, and then the reason, we'll just pretend at this point that we're a teacher talking about grades, and then the type, let's say this is a phone call. The follow-up actions, once an email. So the conversation was about test performance and strategies for improvement. So this is a great way just to document your conversations with others. This is a perfect spreadsheet to use, again, as a teacher. I have lots of other spreadsheets that can help you as a teacher, as a parent, as a business owner. I have over 400 sheets on my website at savvyandthriving.com that can help you. Feel free to take a look around and let me know if you have questions, and I hope you guys have a great day.